Here is our caravan. Wow, it's a beautiful day. Blue sky, nice weather. You know what? I went inside the house. A few minutes later, I heard a strong wind. I thought it's just the wind, but then the rain came. Oh my, it's very strong. I've never seen like that before. I've never seen a storm like that so strong. And here's the result. That is a very nasty wind. Look at my caravan. Oh, what are we going to do? You cannot fix this now. That's it. Yeah. I can't believe it. And look at the clouds. Oh, wow. But look at the sky. It's like nothing happened. Oh my. But I'm thinking this caravan